welcome back to my channel. Today I'm happy to present you another mechanical keyboard. This time from NuPhy brand. It's Air75 mechanical keyboard with brown Gateron switches. So I'm quite kind of excited to see what is inside and to use it with my MacBook. And as a small bonus today we have another budget desk pad. This time it's felt desk pad from Bright Stone shop on Amazon. So let's see, is it worth buying this pad or not? If you are ready, let's jump into the box. Come on guys. Let's start from the desk pad. I'm keeping to try to find best desk pad without breaking the bank, because you know the famous brand pads may cost you up to 200 bucks, and this is 10 times cheaper, and I still hope that I will be able to find something simple, high quality, and what I can use in my day-by-day work. So let's check it out. And, you know, it's pretty nice. It's a good size for my desk. You have this small, tiny chevron, and I may say you already that this is one of the best pads what I already have tested, and I already tested 5 of them. It was from leather, from felt, double side, single side, and this one I like. It's stitched on the sides, and let's see if my mouse will not scratch this. It's scratched a little bit, so I will keep looking into it. So it's a little bit scratching, you know. Maybe all felts pads will work like this. So I will see. But you know, so far so good. From other side you have this anti-slippery layer, which is nice. So this pad is very nice positioned on the table and not sliding at all, which is good, and it's kind of pleasant to my hands. So in general, you know, very nice product for a little bit more than 20 bucks. So I'm sure I will keep it for now as my main desk pad. Okay guys, let's switch to the main guest of the show, is NuPhy Air75 keyboard. There we go. NuPhy Air75 wireless mechanical keyboard with NC layout. And what we should have inside, we should have a keyboard, cable, 2.4G receiver, 3 extra keycaps, 3 extra switches, 1 keycap switch puller. It's a tool for changing the keycaps and switches, quick guide, stickers, and magnetic foot. Okay, I think I know what does it mean. Size and weight. Size, you will see weight like 1.15 pounds or 523 grams. And the package is very nice, you know, it's sleek, it's kind of premium, it's a nice picture. It's already, I'm really positive regarding this keyboard, so let's check. And by the way, before we will go into the details, you can check my blog on GetSmartHomeOffice.com, and I did pretty detailed review of this keyboard, of the brand, of the market, of the brown Gateron switches, what does it mean, main competitors on the market, and what is good, what is bad. If you want to check really technical details, please check my blog on the site. I will leave a link in the description below. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into unpacking of this keyboard. I can't wait already. I don't know what about you guys, but I really want to see what is inside. Manual and stickers, tool, and this is 2-in-1 tool. You can use this tool to switch the keycaps and switches, which is good, one tool. Additional switches, and you can see that they're different color, brown, blue and red, and also wireless receiver. So you can try different sounds and tactile feeling together with what you already ordered. It's a super nice. I think from NuPhy it's a great idea, because I already did a test of 5 or 6 different mechanical keyboards, and it's always very different from tactile and sound perspective. So this option to check immediately different type of switches is great. Great job, NuPhy. And by the way, if you think that my job is also somehow not bad and this video will be useful for you, kindly ask you smash a like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with me your thoughts about best mechanical keyboard on the market right now in a comment section below. I will really appreciate it. Thank you guys. So let's continue. This is kind of nice cable. Additional keycaps. We have it like Alt, another Alt, and something else. And this one, I think this is a keyboard razor magnet one. We will see it in a minute. And the main part of today's video is keyboard itself. Ta-da! Okay, let me move this box aside and check it closer. So it's already working. Let me show you first. So this is a back side of this keyboard, and this is a front side. So this is both wired and wireless, and currently it's switched to wireless, which is logical, and also Win or Mac, and we will do the testing today with Mac. Let's continue. So first of all, I want to check this package, and what we can see. This is NuPhy keyboard razor, I think, so you can elevate your keyboard using this additional magnet stuff. Let's try to use it. So you see, this is a place where you need to put this. There we go. And now it's a little bit elevated, not much. Okay, we have 3 additional buttons, or keycaps I would say. 2 alts and 1, I don't know what it is. I suppose is to change command to Windows, but it's no Windows legend on a keycap. It's just some interesting symbol. So I need this keyboard to work with my 2 laptops, 2 different laptops. I have 2 different projects. So one is Windows, standard Windows laptop, and another is my MacBook Pro, my personal one, where I'm doing all these reviews and other stuff. So in the next package you can see 3 different types of switches, and it's kind of good, because first of all you have one replacement in case of something will go wrong with this main one, and other you can just try what this better suits you from tactile or sound point of view. And this is an obvious tool what you can use to change keycaps or switches. And let me turn it off and let's check. I mentioned previously that it's Gateron brown switches, and yes, so I recall it correctly. So this is a brown, and I like brown the most. I already did try red one, blue one, and blue one is kind of clicky. While I am just saying this, let me show you in real life. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3 type of switches, and let me change couple of keycaps and switches to blue and red. And for example, I want Dell became red one, and let's assume I want escape to become a blue one. Shall I? So we need to use the second of the tool, and I want to be as much careful as I can. So you need to catch this switch from the left and right side. We have two connectors, so we need to understand how I should put this switch back. So I decided to use red one, and again left and right connector, so you need to put it appropriately and click, and Dell keycap. Let's repeat this exercise with escape. You see, when I understand how to do it, it's much easier. Again, let's check left, right. Click and escape. Okay guys, now I want you to hear it out, the difference between different type of Gateron switches. So now we have main part is brown, escape is red, and Dell is blue. So now let me shut up and you will hear the difference in these different switches. Okay guys, so you can hear the difference. This is red one, this one is brown one, and this one is blue one. So the most clicky is blue one, the most tactile is brown, and the most, I would say, average is red one. Okay, let's check what we have in this package. So this one is nice stickers. You can use it somewhere. Now it's a poster, and the slogan of this brand is innovate, not imitate, and it's kind of nice. So this keyboard designed by NuPhy, I think at Reo Studio in Shenzhen and Toronto. And from other side you can see user quick guide, what you can do. We already understand that we can switch between Mac and Windows. We can power off, wired mode, wireless mode, and we will use this section to check how backlight is working, what different options do we have. Okay guys, let's do the typing exercise, and then I will quickly go through main parameters of this Air75 mechanical keyboard. Let me type a couple of strokes for you. Okay, let me quickly run you through the main characteristic of this keyboard. So first of all, of course, this is NuPhy brand and this is Air75, and this 75 means that it's 75% of standard layout with 84 keys, which is a lot. And this is very thin keyboard, and you can see this on the screen right now. And the main is like interesting fact that the keyboard thinnest point is only 16 millimeters, 1/6, which is very thin. Another interesting fact comparison to all other keyboards what I did test this is about how many devices you can connect, and in this case it's up to 4 different devices. You can use 3 as a Bluetooth connection and 1 more as a wireless connection, which is again nice. What about battery? 500 mAh battery, which should provide you up to 48 hours of continuously use with a backlight. And of course it will take you days and weeks with normal use of this keyboard, right? We have a backlight and this light, and we have a lot of lighting effects. I will start changing the scenarios so you will be able to see different versions or different types. And in general it's 21 backlight modes and 4 side light modes. And this side light modes are not just for fun, they're kind of useful. So left side is showing you caps on, caps off. This is on, this is off, okay? And this one on the right side showing you the battery charge in percentage. So red is less than 20%, orange is between 20 and 80, and green is more than 80%. Also it's Windows, and orange is Mac mode. And also we can change the side settings, so we can use function question mark and left and right, and you can see that it's changing the way how it's presenting, which is also nice. What else do we have? Obviously this keyboard can work with Windows and Mac, and also we have this USB Type-C, and we can use this nice cable with Type A from the other side, which is a little bit hard to use with MacBook, but of course you can use any additional hubs and basically that's all from the characteristics point of view. Let me check my blog, what else do I have. So another item property of this keyboard is this Gateron brown switches, and again you can check more details on my blog. So what exactly makes the Gateron brown switches special, you may ask? So mainly it's all about tactile switch. These switches offer noticeable bump halfway through the keystroke. Of course you cannot feel it through the monitor, but I can. And also it leads to this click sound, which is so nice. And you can get the tactile feedback without the auditory noise, or like anybody will hear how you are typing. So this is the main point of this Gateron brown switches. It's just about the right, not too heavy, not too loud, not too noise, all in a perfect balance. So let's check how background light is working. We can change up to 21 of different light schemas, and also we can set up different way left and right side lighting or side. Okay, let's check what we have. So first of all, let's change a couple of scenarios of lighting, so we can decrease or increase brightness, and we can change different patterns. You can see how many different scenarios do we have. Oh, so cool. Check this out. It's awesome. So guys, what do you think about our today guest, NuPhy Air75? I'm excited and I'm really enjoyed this review. So please let me know what is your thoughts, and please let me know what else I can review with you. You will have some additional information before you are going to buy something. So our today's review was about this NuPhy Air75 mechanical keyboard with Gateron brown switches, and also I made quick customization and add blue switch and red switch. So now I have a kind of little bit unique keyboard for myself. In general, my experience so far with mechanical keyboards, I keep using this ProtoArch Mac 301 for my second PC, or rather second laptop, second workplace. My main keyboard so far for last 6 months or 8 months, this Logitech MX Mechanical Mini with also brown switches. Like all of these 3 keyboards so far so good, but I will give a chance this Air75 as my main tool, main sword in my working area. So this one is the most funny one, and the overall package what I've got for this money is much more than competitors. Regarding drop, I cannot use it because it's only for Windows and I don't know how to customize it for Mac. I did ask Drop brand to advise me, to guide me how to order different parts, barebone, keycaps, switches from them to build the custom keyboard for macOS. I'm still waiting for the response. Regarding keychron, all good, but you know, I don't know, I'm kind of missing spark in comparison to what I get from this Air75. So far so good. If you found this video interesting and informative for you, please smash a like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in the comment section below what else would you like to see on my channel, and I will happy to do it for you. But for today, that's all. Thank you for being with me during this review. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you guys.